Hello, financial freedom seekers. Welcome back to Money Nation. Today, we're delving into the world of passive income, exploring 5 brilliant ideas that can help you make $27,000 per month. If building wealth on autopilot is your goal, you're in for a treat. Before we jump into these lucrative ideas, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more insights into passive income strategies. Now let's unlock the secrets to earning $27,000 per month passively. Let's get started. 1. Real estate investment. Our first passive income idea is a classic, real estate investment. Consider investing in rental properties or real estate crowdfunding platforms. Rental income, property appreciation, and potential tax benefits make real estate a powerful avenue for passive wealth creation. Real estate has long been a cornerstone of wealth creation, and it continues to be a reliable source of passive income. Investing in rental properties allows you to earn money through tenants, while potentially benefiting from property value appreciation. Alternatively, real estate crowdfunding platforms provide an opportunity to diversify your investments across different properties, reducing risk and increasing potential returns. One of the key advantages of real estate is the ability to leverage other people's money, OPM, through mortgages. This allows you to control a significant asset with a relatively small upfront investment. Additionally, tax advantages, such as depreciation and deductions on mortgage interest, can enhance the overall profitability of your real estate ventures. While real estate does require some initial effort in terms of property acquisition and management, once the systems are in place, it becomes a largely passive income stream. The consistent demand for housing ensures a steady flow of rental income, making real estate an attractive option for those seeking substantial monthly earnings. 2. Dividend stocks and investments. Dive into the world of stocks and investments, particularly dividend-paying stocks. Companies that distribute a portion of their earnings to shareholders can provide a steady stream of passive income. Build a diversified portfolio and let your money work for you. Investing in dividend stocks is a time-tested strategy for building passive income. Dividend-paying companies distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders, providing a regular income stream. This strategy not only allows you to benefit from potential stock price appreciation, but also ensures a consistent flow of cash through dividends. Building a diversified portfolio is essential to manage risk and optimize returns. Consider companies with a history of stable dividends and a track record of financial health. Dividend-focused exchange-traded funds, ETFs, can also offer a convenient way to access a broad range of dividend-paying stocks without the need for individual stock selection. The power of compounding further enhances the effectiveness of dividend investing. Reinvesting dividends allows you to purchase additional shares, compounding your ownership and, consequently, your future dividend payments. Over time, this compounding effect can significantly boost your passive income. 3. Create an online course. If you have expertise in a particular field, turn it into passive income by creating and selling online courses. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable allow you to reach a global audience. Once the course is created, you can earn money as people enroll without much ongoing effort. Sharing your expertise through online courses is a powerful way to monetize your knowledge. Whether you're skilled in programming, graphic design, or any other subject, there's likely an audience eager to learn from you. Platforms like Udemy provide a marketplace for your courses, connecting you with a global pool of potential students. The key to success in the online course business is creating content that adds genuine value to your audience. Identify your target audience's pain points and tailor your course to address those needs. Engaging and high-quality content not only attracts more students, but also contributes to positive reviews and word-of-mouth referrals. Once your course is created and published, the beauty of passive income kicks in. People can enroll in your course at any time, day or night, from anywhere in the world. This asynchronous nature of online learning means that your course continues to generate income even while you're sleeping or working on other ventures. Automated dropshipping business. Venture into e-commerce with a twist, automated dropshipping. Set up an online store, connect with suppliers, and automate the order fulfillment process. With this hands-off approach, You can generate income from product sales without the hassle of managing inventory or shipping. Dropshipping is a popular e-commerce model that eliminates the need for inventory management and order fulfillment. In a traditional retail setup, a business needs to purchase and store inventory, which can be capital-intensive and time-consuming. With dropshipping, you only purchase items from suppliers when you make a sale. Automation is the key to making dropshipping a passive income stream. By integrating your online store with suppliers and leveraging e-commerce platforms like Shopify, you can automate the entire order process. When a customer makes a purchase, the order is forwarded to the supplier, who handles packaging and shipping directly to the customer. While dropshipping offers the advantage of low upfront costs and minimal operational headaches, success requires effective marketing and customer service. Building a brand and driving traffic to your online store are crucial aspects of making dropshipping a profitable venture. However, once set up, the automated nature of the business allows you to earn money with less day-to-day involvement. 5. High-yield savings accounts and CDs. For a more conservative approach, consider high-yield savings accounts or certificates of deposit, CDs. While the returns may be lower compared to other options, they offer a low-risk way to earn passive income. Set and forget. Let your money grow with interest over time. For those who prefer a low-risk approach to passive income, high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDs, provide a secure and predictable way to earn interest. While the returns may not match the potential gains of riskier investments, these options offer stability and peace of mind. High-yield savings accounts, offered by online banks, often provide higher interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts. The convenience of online banking allows you to easily manage and monitor your savings. Similarly, CDs lock in a fixed interest rate for a specified period, providing a known return on your investment. While the earnings from high-yield savings accounts and CDs might be modest, the passive nature of these investments is a significant advantage. Once you deposit your funds, there's minimal ongoing effort required. This makes them an ideal choice for those who prioritize capital preservation while still enjoying some level of passive income. As a bonus, consider diving into the world of blogging. Creating a niche blog can be a rewarding way to generate passive income over time. While it requires consistent effort upfront, the potential for long-term returns is significant. Let's explore how you can turn your passion into profit through blogging. Create high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your readers. Consistency is key. Regular updates keep your audience engaged and attract new visitors. Utilize search engine optimization, SEO, strategies to improve the visibility of your blog in search engine results, driving organic traffic to your site. While creating and growing a blog demands dedication and patience, the beauty of this passive income stream lies in its scalability. As your blog gains authority and a loyal readership, the potential for income growth becomes substantial. The key is to view your blog as a long-term investment that, once established, can continue to generate passive income for years to come. There you have it, 5 passive income ideas to make $27,000 per month. Thanks for being part of the Money Nation community. If you like what you saw, do us a favor, like, share, and subscribe. Don't miss out on future videos, hit that bell. Until next time.